I get asked all the time, what's the best air conditioning system out there? And my answer is always the same. There's not any difference between manufacturers. What makes the difference is that the system is installed properly and taken care of properly. If you install a system and have it maintained regularly, it will last a long time. Now generally they're warranted for about 10 years. And if it's not taken care of, it'll last less than that. If it's taken care of well, it'll last a lot longer. But the important thing is that it's installed properly. A bad install can make a great system go. If your air conditioner breaks down, if your heater is not working, if you're just not getting the performance out of your system that you want to, call Air National Texas at 281-251-3143. Or you can visit us on our website at airnationaltexas.com. At Air National Texas, we create your comfort zone.